How to enable or disable battery protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Battery. After click on Battery, you will see battery protection is here. If you want to enable battery protection, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see battery protection is enabled. If you want to disable battery protection, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see battery protection is turned off. You will turn on or turn off battery protection from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off, enable or disable battery protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.